hunting and all that, because they definitely prefer open area for hunting rather than thick stuff, just for their speed tactic. And there is our breeding herd. Oh, some mini ones here. Sorry, I thought he would come out. Let me just go forward a little bit more. Stop here. Oh, these cute little kids. We've been like out of breeding herd for so long, so even this like tiny family of elephant makes me happy. Yuka in Lockworth breeding herd of Andalobu, just east of Leopardam. It's so cute. There's more coming out from the left hand side. Trunk up, sniffing, definitely sniffing on us. So cute. So cute. Actually, these guys are the ones that we also try to take Insta360 videos. Like exactly same family. Yeah, this family are very nice and chilled. Like two nicely small sized kids, like a cheeky age, teenagers, or not even reaching to teenagers yet. Like those childs. And then one smaller baby. And then these females are also very relaxed, which I really like about it. Beautiful though. There's more mums coming out. She also has some ears, like tear mark on her. And then one of the female of this herd looks like pregnant.
Charlie from UK training on lock with a leopard. That is mobile between the railway station and the railway siding and Marshall Road.
Sounds like there is also... yeah, she has some.
1 out of 5 visual, mobile west.
All stations in Spoon from Queen Lodge. We have a visual of elephants, Basher group on Leopard Loop, Buffalo Drive in Boston.
It's so cute, so much to look at. This kid is also chowing on this little bush here. It's so cute. One of the female looked pregnant of this herd, so I'm just trying to see her, but I don't think it was this one. She looked so wide. What did you say? Sorry? I've done. Yeah, I do remember seeing that little scar on that edge of the trunk. I think it's the same one, hey? I'm sure this one do have that little scar on the trunk. We'll see. These elephants. No, that's what makes the sighting great. Chillaxed parents. There you go. I think the one in the front is the pregnant one. Just, in front of us. Yeah, she looks very wide. I wonder how far along the pregnancy, because remember it's like a 22 months. Like, I don't know if it gets any bigger than that, because she already looks so big, like wide. It must be so uncomfortable. Yeah, I'm sure they can be more grumpy. Like that's like understandable for them to be so grumpy. But even this pregnant one, very chilled. Yeah, I can't say much. I've never been pregnant in my life, but I can just imagine how unpleasant it might be for these elephants moving through. for 22 months with that much of weight. But it's nice thing that this small herd is sticking around us, because maybe like we never know how far along the 22 months for her. If it's coming around the corner, it will be very nice to have a newborn elephant in the Ireland. They've been sticking around this area for a while now. They just go into the journey and come back. That would be super nice to have. And then the newborn elephant is like one of the most entertaining things to watch. Didn't like Wild Earth had that before? I see. Yeah, that will be something to watch. Oh wow, that's very cool. I only have seen the Nyala that was at the camp and then the Impala, but that wasn't like successful giving birth moment. The Impala, Poor Impala was giving birth, but then got stuck and like, I don't know, it just sat down and it didn't move for like a whole entire day. And then the next day we had to get back to the camp, so we basically left her sitting down with like half legs, well, 2 legs out. But then we didn't see neither fetus or the mother there anymore. So I don't know what happened, if maybe hyena came and ate both of them or what happened. But yeah, she looked very ill. Shame. It wasn't present sighting. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I mean 2 legs out is like, yeah, she can't really move around with that. Just move a little bit more forward. She's checking us. Such a quality time with these elephants. This cheeky teenager is coming out. She literally just started growing her tusk. I'm scary. Let me pick these grievous raisin bush. Look how cool. I can do this, I can do that. Let me take more leaves of this raisin bush. There you go. Pregnant mama comes past by. Hello, are you grumpy? Looks like they've been gone through little puddles or something. I didn't say it was like a whole proper dam, but the pregnant lady and then the child has some little bit of wet patches on the body, unless it was like her own pee. Ooh, I do smell it. There's a lot of folktail drongo coming past by. Oh, the pregnant one is pooping. Imagine like waiting for this poop and the next moment the baby come out. Boom, boom. Only 2 blocks of poop. All right.
Would you like to join me or one of our expert guides on our live private virtual safari? Please visit our website on painteddog.tv to find out more.